Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. July 3, Monday, our market closed higher today, up 40.14 points or up 0.62% to close at 6,508.21. Value turnovers at 2.2 billion pesos. So very thin. There's nothing going on with our market right now. Inflation numbers will be out this week, no? On Wednesday, no? Where it is expected na we have slower inflation numbers, no? At around 5.5 versus May's inflation at 6.1. So not much going on with the market right now. I just bought MPI. Some people will probably ask, uh, okay lang ba yung binenta ng MPI mo tapos buyback ka higher? I don't mind, no? It's a sign of strength. Kung nahulog, kung walang deal dyan, nahulog na yung MPI na yan. No? That's my observation there and I don't mind. I have a very good size with MPI. No? So, let's see. No? Of course, the net asset value is around close to 6 pesos. No? And if you do a uh, discount to its NAV, no? So probably we're looking around near 5 pesos, 5.10, 5.20. So around that price. So I don't mind. No? In this kind of market, okay na yan. Kasi kung wala talaga, nahulog na yan. Before naman, when MPI first announced its plan to list its Metro Pacific Hospital, MPI surged to as high as 550. When they canceled that, yan, nahulog si MPI to 3 pesos. Tapos nung inattack ni Duterte yan, nahulog pa yan to 250, 260. So those are just my observation there. No? So the price action right now is a sign of strength. So it's just another accumulation phase. No? Yung nag-breakout na yan. No? So we're looking at a flag and pennant pattern. Anyway, on other news, no, Aboitiz Equity Ventures or the Aboitiz family denied that they acquired a majority stake in AirAsia Philippines. No, AirAsia Philippines is owned by Global Port, no, Mikey Romero. No? So they already sold their stake there. But of course, they denied. No? Sabi nila, wala daw. No? But it makes sense. No? Why? They have a Mactan Cebu Airport, which they acquired from Megawide. No? Diba? What else? No? We all know naman, the Aboitices are close with this administration. So it only makes sense that they acquired that. No? So time is the ultimate truth teller. Diba? Tapos, it's very coincident rin, no, na some lawmakers want to review the franchise of Cebu Pacific. So, yun. Of course, AirAsia is owned by Malaysian si Tony Fernandez. Pero sa Philippines, I think it's Mikey Romero, but which already sold his stake there. FTSE rebalancing, no, will be announced in a couple of weeks. No? So some funds are already rebalancing ahead of the announcement. No? So you can see some selling pressures on some stocks. No? But unlike MSCI, FTSE konti lang nagpa-follow dyan. Plus is also one of the top gainers today on a dismal volume, manipis. But we already discussed this the past few weeks. No? So it's a turnaround company after losing money the past few quarters, especially during the pandemic. No? Turnaround talaga yan. Of course, the gross gaming revenues are also recovering. No? And of course, leading the pack is Okada. No? So Okada, of course, it's not listed. ABG is not Okada. No? The same principals bought ABG for the purpose of listing Okada pero hindi rin natuloy. No, actually, the backdoor then pushed through. No? Masyadong magulo dyan, no? If you are following the news, nag-aaway-away yung principals and some shareholders there. So, it's Soler or Bloomberry who's leading the VIP segment. No? Mass market si Okada. So, slowly recovering and yung nga si DG Plus naman sa bingo. So, 400 million net income first quarter. Let's see. They can follow through their earnings this second quarter. Top losers were Green and Annie. No, of course, property dividends. No, talagang inalis lang yung ownership ni Annie kay Green. No? So of course, Green is now owned by a different group not related to, or at least, hindi na kay Tony Tuto. No? Annie na siya. ICT closed lower. EMI, MBT. No? So not much. No? Plus is up 6.33%. No? Net foreign buying. It's a boring market this first surpass, no? By the way, no? Announced yun nga, that its founder, si Nix Noledo and si Jude Garcia will be converting around 136 million worth of shareholder advances into equity. Of course, these are advances ng company, no? Or nila sa company for the past ilan years. No? So, the problem with the wala, no? Actually, this is a good news. Unfortunately, walang naniniwala sa good news na to. No? That's how the market reacted to this news. No? Of course, yung mga advances na yun, utang yun eh. No? So, instead of just paying them, co-convert nila, which is premium over market price. No? 30-day VWAP premium over that. No? Yun nga, when Surepass was listed early 2016, it's a very promising company. No? So they use the money when they raise Surepass to acquire some companies. Pero hindi rin lumipad. No? One acquisition is really the Altitude Games, no? Which recently they sold it, no? For 50 million to an Australian firm, $1 million. So basically, this company, no, is struggling to make money. Yung Yondu, binenta rin nila kay Globe. No? They acquired that from Globe, tapos binenta rin nila ng Patalo. Tapos yung Art of Click pa. No? But under new management, no, technically, Nix Noledo is a chairman, but I think there's a Rigodon, no, inside. And with attorney Mark Cachitorena as its corporate lawyer, corporate secretary. Let's see if there's some big moves or corporate actions in Surepass. Of course, SM, no, will be planning to increase its renewable energy output from 300 megawatt to around 600 megawatt via exploration projects. No? Jerry and Alco also declared some cash dividends. Baita, no, also approved some contracts with Luzon Agri-Ventures. Si Apo, no, of course, the same principles with National Bookstores. No? So they extended a credit line of around 300 million in favor of National Bookstores. National Bookstore. So short-term funding for the operations of NBS. PLDT also partnered with Radius Telecom, no, to beef up its largest data center in Santa Rosa, Laguna, which is set to be activated next year. Anyway, our passcode for today is inflation. Of course, inflation numbers will be out na naman this week. No? Yan na maabangan natin. But it look like we already factored in it cooled off. No? Slowed down. No? Other than that, yun. Boring market. Let me know what you think about the market rin. No? Kung ano, saan patutungan. Tapos mag-ghost mat na naman August. No? We're expected volume to get lower. No? Isip Roman, no? I agree with your observation. No? These companies, no, try. This is also the reason why we don't or I don't buy from IPO. No? So sa IPO kasi that's the best time to sell your company at a high price, no? Or as buyback na lang lower. Or minsan nga delist nila. Example, no, Resorts World was listed at 10 pesos and around 10 pesos. They dinilist at 5.50. Splash Corporations of the Hortaleza family, ganun rin. Taas yung IPO, dinilist nung or buyback lower sila. No? Shell Philippines, no? When they listed, they had an IPO of around 68 pesos. Of course, they don't need to list. No? But it is because of government regulatory bodies, no, that forced them to do an IPO because of energy regulatory. Yung ano yun, diba? Oil deregulation law. No? Sige, mag-IPO kami pero mataas. Nag-IPO nga sila 68. Right now, Shell is now trading way below IPO price, no? So, yun. No? So, that's a legal way of shorting, no? Sell sila mataas, tas buy back na lang lower. Michael, WM, Gilbert Travisan, Jennifer, JGC, John Edison Aquino, ERC, Oliver Wendell Go, Yonko, Shax Ray, Toledo, and Hey Bud. Again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.